Hey everyone, Anna Krueger today, and I partner with MAPS to teach two classes. Number one, how to hire, train, and retain ISAs. And the second class is mastering inside sales. Today, we're going to talk real quick about the number one thing ISAs are looking for from their leader. How do I know this? Am I just making it up? No. So I have a network of about 5,000 ISAs. I polled them and asked them, what is the number one thing that you're looking for in your leader? And this was the most common response that I received. I actually was surprised. I was expecting something different. The number one thing ISAs are looking for from their leader is someone who knows their personal goals and brings it up frequently in relation to their performance. So, what they're not looking for is someone to say, our team standard is 40 contacts a day, so hit 40 contacts a day. What they're looking for is someone to say, hey, your personal goal is to pay your house off early and to start a college fund. So to do that, your conversion shows we need 40 contacts a day. 40 contacts a day will help you pay off your house early and start that college fund. So they are looking for someone who cares about their personal goals and also understands how to take their actual daily activities and tie that back into their personal goals. So, yes, we have team standards. Absolutely. We need you to have team standards. What does it take to be in business with you? Yet that's not what they actually want to talk about in their meetings. They want to hear you caring about their personal goals. Again, I polled over 5,000 ISAs. That was the number one, overwhelmingly the number one most common answer. So make sure you know what your ISA is working for. What is their goal? And then how does their daily activity tie back to that? We talk about this and a lot more in the program, How to Hire, Train, and Retain Inside Sales Agents, that launches July 8th. And then we also have a class launching in August on mastering inside sales. So agents are welcome, ISAs are welcome. Anyone who talks to a human with the goal of turning them into a client can benefit from the class Mastering Inside Sales. So hopefully I'll see you soon. And in the meantime, make sure whoever you're leading, especially ISAs, we are discussing how their activity ties to their personal goals. All right, everyone, thanks for hanging out with me and hope to see you soon. Have a great day.